Hello all, we are going to view automation menu. By adding a condition with an accessory, scene, or schedule-based condition, the end user can trigger accessories, call a scene, send notifications to users defined on the touch panel, and add a delay between these actions. The created automations can be activated or deactivated on the touch panel at any time. To create automation, click the Add Automation button at the top right in the automation menu. Condition can be based on an accessory, scene, or schedule. Click on Add Condition and select whether accessory, scene, or schedule. If it depends on the accessory, select the device you want to use as condition. Adjust the behavior of the device. Property and comparators may change according to type of device. If it depends on a scene, select the scene you want to use as condition. If it will depend on a schedule, select Schedule. Time and days you want to create schedule condition. Actions that will occur after a condition can be selected as accessories, scenes, push notifications, and delays. Click Add Action and select the action as an accessory, run scene, push notification, or delay. If the action will occur based on an accessory, select the device and select the action. Properties and values may change according to type of device. If a scene is to be run, select the scene. If you want to send a notification, it is possible to send a notification created by yourself to Core Mobile app. Write title and message and click on OK button on keyboard. If you want to create a delay between actions, you can specify the delay time in this section. Finally, when you create condition and actions, you can check the Automation from Info section. And if everything is fine, click on Save button. It is possible to enable or disable an automation. To do this, click on Enable or Disable button on automation. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.